Hi crafty friends, it's Sylvia. Welcome back to my channel, Scrapping Sylvia. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like and comment. Okay, I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today, guys, I figure we do a unboxing from Dreamer Design, and this is it's just such a beautiful painting. And lately, Dreamer Designs, they've been coming out with smaller paintings, like a medium size, and they're available in both square and round, so you have the option, and they ship directly from their overseas warehouse. All right, and yeah, they have really, go check them out, they have a really nice selection. Anyway, this one is Koi Carp and Peach Flowers. All right, and then it has a picture here on the bottom of the box. Over here it tells you some of the features. It's legally licensed images, sparkling diamonds with AB accents, full drill, diamonds fill in the entire canvas. It's a soft fabric canvas with poured glue, and it has a lifetime warranty plus insurance. And the back, it just basically tells you how it works step by step, what's in the kit, and why diamond paint? Why not? It makes us happy, right? All right, so let's open this box up. Let's see. So I hope everyone's having a wonderful Sunday with their family and friends. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the Dreamer Designs always come in a little bag, which is very nice. It has Dreamer Designs on it. So let's open this baby up. I like this, the medium size, guys. And of course I chose round because that's what I prefer, round. It comes with a purple ribbon. Let's put that aside. Let's get the drills out of here. Oh, looks like there's two bags. Oh, no, just one bag. And let's get the, come on, the stuff that's inside. And let's put the painting aside for now, okay? The canvas. All right, so what do we have here? So we have, of course, the instructions, how to diamond paint step by step. Okay, tips and tricks. Thank you for your purchase. So we're going to put that aside. We don't need that right now. This is for your logbook. This is a big sticker sheet. And as you can see, it has a beautiful picture of the painting. Koi Carp and Peach Flowers by Momart. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Artlicensing.com. It has it gives you some stickers so you can decorate your logbook, which is pretty cool. These are pre-cut individual stickers for your containers, and it looks like it has 58 colors. Wow, that's a lot of colors for a little painting. All right, so here's the kit. Comes in a little pouch with a little drawstring that's purple also. And this is the usual kit toolkit. Let's see, for the beginners. All right, so it comes with 2 containers with purple wax inside. Okay, so make sure you peel the plastic back so you can access the wax. And that's what you're gonna put on your pen. All right, here goes the diamond pen. This is a single placer. Oh, actually you have 2 pens. Actually, this is a single placer. Okay, and then here you have a straightener and some multi-placers for your pen. Here's a comfort grip. This is supposed to slide. Let's see if we can get it in. Sometimes we can, and sometimes we can't. Well, anyway, it's supposed to slide and it's supposed to help with your hands, especially if you suffer from arthritis. Here is the tray. On the back, it says Dreamer Designs. It has sort of like a little glitter, like shine to them. And of course, very sharp tweezers, so be careful. You have some baggies just in case you're traveling and you don't have the container, so you can put the drills in here. And this, by the way, is like a little divider. So if you want to work with 2 colors at the same time, you can with the divider. Okay, so you have everything you'll need if you are a newbie or beginner. Okay, and here are with the drills. Oh, look what I see there. Okay, we'll bring that back out. I believe these are in order, which is nice. Let's bring out the canvas. This is poured glue, so I'm just gonna I unrolled it, and then I'm going to roll it like this, just to try to flatten it out a little bit because it has been traveling and it's been in the box. Okay, as you can see in the bottom, it says paint with passion. Here it says Dreamer lifetime warranty. Your diamond canvas kit comes with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamonds protection from Dreamer Designs. Okay, and then over here you see their logo, Dreamer Design. And let's unroll this beauty. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, guys. It's very, very bright, the colors. Love it. All right, but very quickly on the top, it tells you it's called Koi Carp and Peach Flowers, and it has a picture. Licensing by Momart, and the design size is 40 by 50 centimeters, which is 15.7 inches by 19.7 inches. And then over here you just have all their social channels, okay, where you can find them. And of course it has two legends. It has a legend on the left hand side on the bottom, and then it has another legend on the right hand side on the top. So let's look at the legend. The legend has 3 rows. The first row, it basically tells you that it has 58 colors, okay? And then the middle, these are the symbols. The symbols are on the painting, on the canvas, and that's where you're gonna place your drills. And then of course the third row is the DMC code, okay? And then by looking at it, immediately you can tell that, well, 58 colors, and it has 4 ABs. Let's see. Wait a minute. I thought I had 4 ABs. No, this says 2, right? Let's see. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's 2 ABs. So see right here, AB, AB, and then you have the special drills. So it looks like you have 3 crystals. We'll figure that out. It says LZ. I believe those are the crystals, those special drills. All right. Let's look at the painting. What we see is 3 beautiful koi fish, very, very colorful, very, very vibrant, and they're swimming. It looks like they're dancing. They're swimming in a pond, maybe in a pond, and around them you see beautiful flowers, beautiful pink and peach flowers, and also you have some purple ones here and a little bit of red. And then the background, as you can see, it's of course it's the water, so it's blue. Has a little bit of like green down here, maybe some moss, yeah, or some plant life down here. And yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's very, very clear. Let me bring it up so you can see. There goes the pink flower or peach flower. I know it says peach flowers, but they look more pink, but who knows? Here's the koi fish. That's one of them. Here's the other one. This one's like a darker orange, red orange. And here's the other guy. Okay, and as you can see, the scales are going to look very vibrant. They're like, it looks like there's light reflecting. But you know what? Maybe there's going to be ABs there. Well, we'll soon see. All right, so let's put this aside. Oh, wait a minute before I forget. Okay, let me just peel this back so you can see. This is the plastic covering, protects it. Very, very sticky, which is nice. All right, so we're gonna put this aside now. And by the way, the canvas is very soft. I'm going to bring out the drills. Let's see. We have, what did we say, 58 colors. That's a lot of colors. Wow. So maybe I'll bring them out. Let's see. As long as we put the painting here. No, not all of them. Maybe I shouldn't. There's just too many. What I'll do is I'll take out the special drills. So we have those 2. Actually, three of those. And this is an AB. And that's an AB. I think there were 2 ABs, right? Yep. Okay. I'm just going to see if I can do this so you can see the colors a little better. Okay. So let's see. So here we have, let me bring this a little closer. Here we have some like off-white, some brown, some oranges, some blues, some pinks, more orange, all kinds of different colors of blue here. brown again, some like tan. This is a very pretty, looks like a turquoise, red, lots of red oranges, of course, probably for the fish, or the koi. You have grays, red, and this looks like black. Okay, let's put that aside. Let's begin again. All right, 54 is AB03, and so that's like a very pretty light pink. It's probably for the flowers. And then the next one is AB893. This is like a, looks like a salmon. Okay. And then you have this one, which I mentioned earlier. And this one's LZ666. This is a crystal and it's red. This one is also a special drill crystal. And this one is 741. It's like a yellow. And this one is 5200. So this is white, but crystals. All right, so now we're just gonna look to see where they belong. Where are they? All right, by looking at the painting, I think this is gonna go on the flowers. What do you think, guys? So when you look at here, it says 54, symbol 6. It's gonna be symbol 6, wherever you see symbol 6. Okay, so I see it here already. And the little flowers here, we're gonna have to move this back because we see glare. Some here, okay, it's like the light pink on the flowers. Let's see over here. Again, here you have them sprinkled and the light flowers. And then over here, also sprinkled, but this is the bigger flower. Okay. The next one, let's see, this one's going to be symbol 2. Again, it's going to be on the flower, on the flowers. Over here again, the flower, and on the flower. None on the fish, because this is that peachy, pinky color. All right, and now this one is 666, which is red, and it's going to be capital letter P. All right, so we're going to look at the fish to see if we see it. At the koi. Where can you be? It's not a lot. So that means it's going to be sprinkled. What do we say? P, letter P. Huh. Sometimes you can find them and sometimes you can't. And when I can't, what do I say? It'll be a surprise. But it's going to be on the fish. I'm sure of it. Okay. I don't find it, but is it here? Nope. Oh, maybe there's some red over here. Nope. Huh. All right, so let's just put it aside for now. All right, the next one is this yellow one, and this is going to be number 3. Right here. Number 3. It's going to be on the fish, on the koi. It's going to be here. It's going to be that light orangey color, sort of like an orange yellow color. If you look at the crystals. Yeah, it's going to be. It looks like on both of these koi fish. All right, and then the last one is going to be letter O, capital letter O. So you have here on top of the koi, right here on his fin, back here, so on the scales, on his tail, also on this fish, on the mouth, on the lips. Oh, that's going to be adorable on the fish. So this looks like it's going to be on the fish, but it's also going to be on the flowers. See? You have some all around the flowers. It's going to bring out the flowers pop out. Wow. Absolutely beautiful, guys. I thought I'd change, a little, because I always do portraits and I do landscapes, but this is, when I saw this, I just said, this is absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys. So, yeah, that's about it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. Bye-bye, and thank you.